Hello friends, we have a very interesting question from JEE 2017 paper. The question says, if integration of 10x to the power n is in and I4 plus I6 is a times 10x to the power 5 b times x to the power 5 plus c, then we have to find the value of a and b. And the options are given in JMAs. You read the option also, isn't it? But option doesn't help here much. We have numerical values here. A का value can be plus or minus 1 by 5, B का value can be 1, 0 or minus 1. But the question is actually very easy. I4 plus I6 is nothing but integration of 10x to the power 4 plus 10x to the power 6. So when you write this, most of the students will quickly realize by just taking 10x to the power 4 common, inside the bracket you have 1 plus 10 square x. 1 plus 10 square x, when you write, most of the students will realize it is nothing but 6 square x. And what is this question now? This question is now integration by substitution, isn't it? I think most of the students will now do it mentally and will write down the next step directly, that by putting 10x equal to t, sec square s dx will be dt. So we have to integrate t power 4 dt. And what is integration of t power 4? T power 5 by 5. That means finally you get 10x to the power 5 by 5 plus c. Simple, problem solved. ठीक है, इससे easy question JEE मेंस में होते नहीं है. ठीक है. So and if you compare now with a times 10x to the power 5 b times x power 5, you realize that यहाँ पे तो x power 5 वाला कोई term ही नहीं है. So that very moment you realize कि b का value 0 होगा and coefficient of 10x to the power 5 is 1 by 5, so a का value 1 by 5 होगा and your answer is going to be option number B. Problem solved. Isn't it easy? This type of easy question is what you need to find and solve in the first 20 minutes of the paper. ये आपका स्ट्रेटेजी होना चाहिए JEE मेंस पेपर सॉल्व करने का. ठीक है, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस भी होते हैं पेपर में. You have to search and solve them in first 20 minute. Next 20 minute moderate level पे spend करना है. Last 20 minute difficulty level वाले प्रॉब्लम पे spend करना है. ठीक है, so JEE मेंस इतना difficult नहीं होता. And if you want to see more questions of integration and the previous year JEE questions, link दिया हुआ है description box में below. You can go and watch them and learn it in the right way.